How's it going, each and everyone? Welcome back to this video. What I'm doing today? Well, I'm currently recording this course, and this new course that is, as I said previously, it's about Next as a front end and front end, actually on the server side, but it's going to be the UI and Prestashop as in REST API. Currently, I'm working on adding a product to the cart. So it's working fine, but now what I'm trying to figure out is how to pass the various options. For example, if a product contain images and sizes, and just need to pass this information in order to add correctly this product to the cart. So here I'm just trying to find my way. For the information that the paid version of the plugin I'm using, this little one called the Prestashop REST API. So if you purchase the paid version, you will have more information on how to add the product to the cart with the various various options. But currently I'm using the free version, so I need to find my way myself. All right, so what I'm doing here, I'm trying to kind of reverse engineering of what is going on when we do add a product to the cart through a classic website. So here I'm going to pick an XL, and here what's happening, I'm sending an object to a certain endpoint that is this one. Let me make this bigger. So here we're sending PS Facebook. What is this? The payload. So this is an object. I'm going to grab this for a second here. Get my postman, or no, just use Sublime. So this is the first object, and I'm kind of redirected to a different page. The payload. What is this payload? So here we have a token. We have a Jextrue ID product one. Attributes ID, attributes, well, we don't have that anymore. We have attributes ID once again. So this is kind of an array. I could say that. A group 1, group 2, and 11. Yes, so let's go back and change the colors, for example, to white. So we have some changes right here. Action customize product. Let's jump a little bit down. So Ajax true, we don't need that. Okay, now let's go ahead and compare this. What do we have? Ajax, so just delete it. So ID product, ID. So the changes is over here. Attributes ID. Or attribute IDs. Okay, customize products. So I'm sending here, this is the endpoint PS Facebook. Wow, is that a weird name? And here I'm requesting. What do we have? So I have white. Nothing has been selected. The group customization. Payload. What am I sending over here? ID customization. Okay. Attributes IDs. View source. Can I view? Yes, this is customization and a group. You parcel. Like to grab all this. Back to Postman. I already have a bunch of products, so this is product number 1. Like to really do this for another product. Let's say let's go to product 3 maybe. So what is this? Okay, so here we have dimensions. Let's pick a different dimension. Okay, and we have one piece. Then article stock. Okay, Ajax, and once again we have this ID products and attribute IDs, and attribute IDs is set to 20. And previously what has been set to nothing right there, because we only have one attribute. Yes, so if I go back to, let me grab the no, usually like to copy this real quick. Back to Postman. Boom. What do we have? So attribute IDs. This looks something like this. Evaluate becomes something like this. We don't need any dots there. Same things goes right there, and let's hit it. Okay, cookies is not set. UK, it's normal. Now we will get cookies. So products. Okay, no, this is not working, although we have a product 3. Yeah. So product 3. ID product 3. Come on. Wow. Okay. Reverse to where it was before. I'm not going to save that. Let's open this real quick. Okay. So what is this? So this is the current structure. ID attribute. We don't have many of these intros. So the other solution I thought about is to download a Vue front-end store that is kind of a super version of what I'm doing, and it's pointing to Prestashop REST API again. So I just want to see how he do prepare, or how do they prepare that query. So let's go ahead and explore the code. Yes, I do trust. Let me change this to Slick, and we are here next. Where that could be. Let's start with the app. So we have nothing, just special stuff. This is the project. Jump into pages. What? Oh, nothing is here. Are you kidding me? Okay, let me go ahead and give it, what does it need? So it does require node 16. I'm going to say no VMU 16 over here. And I'm going to give it a yarn store. No, what's the name of this thing? New. Is that you? Let's go with yarn. Okay. Dash global. Okay, I don't have time for that. npm install. Okay, anyway, it's there. And yarn. So this should install dependencies for that thing. And let's hope this is going to give me what do I need. And here I have project. I'd like to really open code over here. And let's do yarn dev. And it is up. What is this project? What is going on, boy? Oh, something's wrong. Something's not right. Side new. This is the Snox config. Do can second. It seems like the installation did not went well as expected. So npx generate store. Just go back to my terminal over here. Got the bullshit. And npx generate store. There you go. Well, just give it store. Yes, and I'm going to use Prestashop. Generating the project, installing dependencies. Seems to be okay. Hopefully we could find the answer to the question. Let's check the getting. Is that documented anywhere here? Not sure that is the case because this is a paid version, so Install dependency, configure the project, start the project. Yeah, some really generic information that do nothing. So let's go back into our debugging right here. Okay, so for this endpoint, we are sending ID product. So this is correct. And this is now working. This is what I'm trying to figure out. What I can do also, I can go and jump deep inside the code of Prestashop, but for now, it seems to be working fine. So let's go to cd store and yarn dev. Okay, so this is going to spin the project on this weirdo port. And we have some warnings here. Error, dependency, invalid main field in blah, 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 blah. Please fix or report it. Trace deprecation anyway. So he's using view 2, oh, Nox 2 here. And let's see what's going on. Hey, Nox 2 is very, very slow comparing to Next 3. There's no way to compare them. Like 10 times faster or even more. So here it will take like a minute until it does finish building up. Okay, we are ready. Now we can check it out. Boom, we have the store. So, Bao, go ahead here. And let's start sniffing. Yeah, it's a good store. Yeah, it's out of the box ready. Now I would like to select the size. So the size I'm going to set M. And we do have, okay, what is happening here? We have different, we have an entire call to the API. You're getting the reviews, getting the product. Why this is happening twice? But anyway, let's check it out, the payload variant. Okay, so if I do pass this object like so, is it going to be, no, actually it's not going to be okay, because this must be product ID in my case here. What endpoint is calling? API, Prestashop get product. Shit. It is get, where is get product? Product details, this is one, product details. Oh, come on. Okay, I think they're using an internal endpoint here. Let's go ahead and spec this thing. Code. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Let's check it out. Where things could be placed inside composable, maybe. UI state, user helper, UI helpers. No. Come on. Is it authenticated? No. Come on. App. Crawl. Components. Let me check. Where is the product? Okay. Back to the product. Related product. No, I'm looking for a different thing. Product. Okay, let's use the development tool here. I'm gonna find my way through this mess. So it's a product. So I suppose this is going to be a page, yes. So we do have what? We do have this add to cart. And that could be inside another component. So let's do figure out who is, so it's add to cart. And oh boy, come on, this, yeah, this is a dependency that has been installed. Okay, these boys, they really obfuscate their code. So to jump into node modules, and we are looking for this SF add to cart. So I'm supposing that going to be a little bit down here. Come on. SF. Storefront. UI. Is that you? Is that you? Components. Template. I think it could be inside these molecules. Yeah, there you go. There we go, boy. Yeah. So this is the added to cart, and when I do click on this thing, view on listener. So this is a button. When I do click, we have listeners here. Beyond dollar listener. Quantity selector emit. Quantity. Up to accept. Also, well, this is not a good place to find what I'm looking for. Quantity, SF button, SF input. Oh, all this is inside the same component. Okay, I see. I see. But surely he's reading something from the store. Must be somewhere. Come on. SF button, SF quantity selector. Okay. What kind of props does it take? Disable it here. Except the quantity. Okay. All right. Say SF add to cart. This is what I'm looking for. So what stuff we are passing? We're passing stock. The model. Disable it. I can add to cart. And what is this stock? I suppose that this is coming from the store. Is this object? Data, we have breadcrumb stock 1. Wow, this is a mess. I think they're using Vuex over here. I guess these informations, please, come on. Okay, what tool is this? These are routes. Wow, there's no store. Wait a second, what's going on? Wow. Or maybe the store. No, there is no store. It should appear over here if it's the case. Okay. Okay, now if I do add to cart with a little bit of size L, and every time I do change the size, I'm kind of redirected to a different page. So if I do select, I don't have a different color, unfortunately. So if I do add it to cart, what kind of information I've sent? What? Okay, so we have a product attribute ID, or I think I found what I'm looking for. So this is the documentation at the category. No, sorry, not this one. This is the cart, update cart. So ID, just need them in bulky way. They could read things better. What is this ID? Attribute ID. Why don't I just bring this boy all the way to the other screen, somewhere here? Okay, and we have attributes that is of type object. So let me, where is the ID? Shit, no, should not be this one. Why the hell he's sending the description here and the discount price? please. This is an entire object. Grip E18N. So these are attributes. Do we have attributes over here? Let's try this out. So back to key value. And we don't have attributes. I'm going to reopen this once again. Sorry for this. This is not a tutorial, by the way. This is going to be potentially a very boring video because trying to figure out something that I don't know if it's does even exist or not. So here I'm going to copy. Let's view the source. Yeah. Let's go to JSON formatter or use our beloved VS Code quick format and attribute. We are looking for this object. I'm going to stupidly pass it as it is through our response over here. So let's see if this is going to give any results. So what's inside here? Well, this is a lot of information to be passed, but I'm not sure if it is going to work. So first of all, the ID of the product is number 2. So this is ID product 2. And we have a specific price, stock, features, attributes, size L. Attributes. Use array size L once again. Oh, it's not working. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Let me get rid of the cookie for now. Come on. So this is called ID attribute 11. Maybe we could say attributes and we pass the ID attribute. Yeah, why not? Well, if I don't figure out how to do this, then I'm hitting a wall over here with my course. And that would be really problematic. So let's see what endpoint I'm hitting. So I'm hitting this add to cart. This is the same IP. Oh boys, I'm sharing my IP like an idiot over here. Okay, I need to figure out what is this endpoint inside the code. So once again, I suppose that is coming from certain plugin hidden somewhere else. So let's look inside this thing. Okay, this boy here. This boy. I'm at the view store. Go add to view store. Come on, where are you? Where are you? Storefront view. Not you. Should be add to view. Add to view storefront. And we have a bunch of stuff. There we go. Server. Hopefully this is not falsified. Yes. Okay. By the way, okay, this is how we do set if cookies number length. Yeah, don't blah blah blah. Attribute. Okay, add to cart. Let's see what's inside. So here, URL search param. Who is URL? Use context REST API slash cart. Okay, so this is going to be the full URL of the endpoint. But what the hell is this search? Search should lead us to its URL search param. Wow, that's very informative. Upon delayed get. Oh yeah, who's this boy? Yes. Anyway. Oh yeah, sorry, because actually we are creating a new URL here. So ID product quantity ID attribute. Single one. PS cookie key and PS cookie. Oh wait. Add it to cart. Yes, boy. Product attribute set. Image size actions. Search params. Well, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but I think he's simply passing this 1, 3, or whatever it is to the endpoint. So what I'm going to do is what he's doing here, href, then returning that object. I'd like to do to console, come on, dot log url dot dot href, yeah, and let's add some fancy stuff over here in order to see. Okay, back to live, and quick reload will be fine. So back to the terminal console, whatever it is, and let's zoom a little bit because we mark it. So here we are marking stuff. Boom, add to cart. Okay, cannot read property and defined on find on blah blah blah, and that totally did ignore my things. Oh, this could happen on the server side. Let me check. Where is the terminal? Where is the terminal, please? Oh boy, I think. Ah, yeah, where is it? Shit. Oh, this does not really log anything. And close this for now. Where's VS Code? Where is VS Code? Okay. Function add to cart. Function add to cart. This is called somewhere else. Do we have another iteration? Yes. It's exporting some stuff. Then add it to cart. Going to add a debugger over here. And I'm going to kill the server from here and run it in debug mode, and hopefully I can figure out what's going on with this thing. Okay, I'm going to say new JavaScript debug terminal, and I'm going to say dev debugging attached, spin up. Okay, so it's localhost blah blah blah. Okay, wow, this is not working as expected. What? Oh yeah, sorry, must be yarn dev. Node dash v, shit. Let me use 16. Okay, now I can do here on dev creation blah blah blah. Spin it, boy. Come on. because it's normal. Let's break down. Just refresh this page and yep. Okay, seems to be working fine. Page not found. No problem. Let's grab this mug. But it has no options. This is bad. I need the product with multiple information. So I think the P1 is good. That has colors and yes. So now if I do switch, okay, this is simply like a carousel. This is exactly what I'm doing, but with less complications. So let me pick the size here. I hit the simulator. Make things look stupid. Okay. So the size, I'm setting this to be M. And as you can see, I'm redirected to a different page over here. And if I set the quantity, hopefully this won't change anything. And where is the color option? How can I set the color? Oh yeah, because I went into a different product, then that really unpacked whether or not we have to control. We have various colors. Yeah, so yep, so size XL4. Once again, I would like to check this network. So if I do switch this product to L, then I don't know why there is two API calls. So here it's the same endpoint. But the payload, is it the same? No, it's not the same. So here this is kind of information that we are sending. So the ID or the refresh, the variant object size and 1.3. Okay. One 3L. What is the endpoint? Prestashop get product. It must be somewhere here. And what do we have here? Context, and we have a bunch of params, like don't care. Product is all this boy. Attributes. He's something the whole object, is it? Headers? No, this is what I've done. I did add to cart or what? Let it go. So if I do add to cart, boom, I am here. So the params are the product, quantity, and boom. Oh, sorry, what's there? Add it to cart. I would like to jump. Add a little breakpoint here. Evaluate and debug. Add the line break. Just right there. Okay, so this is sorry. This is the endpoint that we are calling. So it has ID product quantity, ID product attribute 5. What is this? ID product attribute 5. We have this ID product attribute. Yeah, I don't have problem with that. My problem is when we have like a color and size together, how can I pass that shit together? Because here there's no problem. Okay, can pass ID product attribute, boom, 5 or 11 or whatever, and pop up, and all the rest is really simple and classic. But my problem is when we have multiple product attribute. How can we do that? Come on, boys, I need solution. Let this boy finish his day, so can go, boy. Come on, the href. Yeah, as I said, it's really PS cookies. So these are the cookies. We're just appending them to the header call. And what about debugging what's going on right there? So let me add stopping point here, or maybe here, just a little bit before finishing up the work. So boom. Yes, so data. Come on, data. I'm hovering you. Is it in the context? Context data. No, this is the context of the boy. I'm going to evaluate this thing in the terminal. Boom. Evaluate in the debug console. Wow, data is not defined. That's I know we are waiting for that. So go. Oh boy. Boy. God. Okay. Anyway, so here, let me do this. Okay. So here, do we have a different color? Match with. Good. Size. Why we only have the size? Why can I get? This is the white one. This is the dark one. Hummingbird, and this is brown bear. Only the size. Can I get go back to the home page? Oh, this is a bug, boys. You need to fix it. Oh, yeah. I don't have this problem. I fix it. I had that problem, but I did manage to fix it, so you're not doing your job very well. And it's buggy here. I think there's no product. I see all the featured product. Wow, we have one single product. See a mug. Is there a mug? Oh, good. T-shirt. Yeah, me too. I have auto suggestions, so nothing special. But this thing, how to hide it? So ugly. Come on. Boom, move the way. Go home. Categories. Clothes. Okay. Do we have to clothes accessories? Or maybe we have colors for these pillows. Yes. Oh, we have one. Okay, we have two colors. Look at this. Well, the size, we don't have size, so yeah, we still at the same situation here. So if I do color, I'm redirected to a different page. It's auto redirection. You could see that, boom, it does refresh. But the size is not possible to set a size. Oh, there you go. So now if I do color black, okay, then I do size M. Wait a second and see. I just want to see what is the response. Surely I am editing this product. Boom, I'm going to add the cart and params. So what is interesting for me is this product. What it tells. So ID attributes. The final URL, again, is what is important for me. The href is that boy. Come here. So what is inside you? The rest, does not really interest me. So we have the ID, we have the quantity, and the ID of product attribute 4. OPT update size. Product, shit, this does not make sense, boy. Right. Payload. T-shirt. Attribute ID 4. Attribute ID 4. This down. Let me inspect these guys. They should not be 4. They should be something else. It's a button. Just want to inspect. This is the buy box or something. Transition. No, you. Yes, K. 234. I'm setting the key M. So value 1 4 Excel. Okay, wait a second here. You can carry on your way, boy. Okay. Cookies. Okay. So this tank is 4, I suppose. I'm going to set this to 1 4 XL size. 2 11. And the color, I'm going to set this to be dark. Oh, it's already dark. So 211 become 28. Okay. Now add to the cart. What do we have? 211. Attribute here. 4 and 8. Alright, I see. Can I just copy this boy? His attributes. Am I looking for? Yeah. Reference. It's a grip color. ID attribute 8. ID attribute group 2. Yeah. What do we have also here? Have more informations. Well, copy this for a second. Okay. Well, this is really ugly, but we have no choice. Object E1813. Okay, so we have a name here. No, it's not readable. Sorry. Sorry, I cannot figure out what's going on right there. Like to copy this boy back to the terminal. So I'm going to say programs dot product, and I'm going to wrap this into a copy. Okay. New boom. And yeah, so all this should maybe go through a little array. Okay, attributes. So we have 1 and we have 2. Can I grab this boy and request the end pointer using it? Start here and do and here. So I'm going to do this. So again, I would like to clear these cookies. We have only 1, 0 cookies. There you go. And I'm going to set these params to be one bulk edit. No, sorry, it should be only added the 2 attributes. So here. Oh, let's see. I'm not sure that this is going to be working as expected. Back to key value. No. Yes, that's pretty normal. And here we simply crash the server because I'm stupid. Let's get rid of the cookie for now. Back to this bulk edit. Dudes. Wow. You know? Product attribute. No, this is wrong. This is not working as expected. Our specific price. Features. Should say what? Should say XL somewhere here. No, wrong. So JSON object. Okay. So we carry on with this. Just want to see the final URL. ahref is this one. Scooping it. So product ID attribute. ID product attribute 7. It's like one single attribute. Color white. What? It's kind of combination between the sizes or something. How he figure out this shit? ID attribute product. ID attribute product is product attribute. Yes or no? Let's second go back to product details. Let's get product and let's look inside. So you have the product and combination. The product attribute 13, 14, whatever price. So these are the various combinations, options. Product info. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a groups. Attribute. So 19. And then just need another product, like for example the product one. I think that they send you all the potential and possible options. So these are the options, I don't care. And attributes, groups, and we have here, so here the size. So size S, texture, and these are the groups ID. Well, I can, and let's see, so this is about the color. Default 8, attribute 8 or 11. Name, code, blah blah blah. This should exist somewhere else. Yes, it does exist inside the options. So groups. Attributes. Side groups. Size S. Name S. One here. I don't get it. Group type select. So here, what I have done is product details, and here I am editing ID product attribute 7. Do we have a 7 ID product attribute? Price minimal. ID product attribute 2, 1, 3, 4 quantity. Minimal quantity. Combination code. I think this is the key. 2 and 11, 2 and 8. Oh, this is... Okay, I see. Oh boy, I see what's going on here. Let's go. This is what's product. This is product 1 that it has 2 colors and 4 sizes. So normally I should have like 8 combinations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So what they are doing here, they created all the possibilities of combination between, for example, size and color, and they create this combination code right here that you could see. So 4, 8 mean that 4 will be the size 4 and 8 will be the color 8. Okay, that's smart. That's okay. But also lazy, I think ID product attribute 7. ID product 7 mean this one. So you'll be setting the color to be, I think this is the size XL, if I'm not wrong, and this is the white color. Yeah, I found out the solution to my problem. So this is why he's simply passing a single attribute. And here, well, this could be a good idea and a bad idea. I don't like really refreshing the page and recalling the whole API for just switching the product color or quantity. You see that? It takes a really long time to fetch back answer. Okay, sorry, this is my bad. You okay, boys? I'll just here blocking the response. So there you go once again. Okay, I found a solution. Found a solution for my problem, and I'm so happy with that. Good job. Okay, yeah, I think I should stop this nonsense video. Wow, 52-minute. Not sure if anybody will be watching till this point. Yep, so thank you for watching. If you are watching this, if you are not watching, oh well, you missed a lot of fun. Thank you guys, thank you, peace.